Carefully take the Cricut Explore Air 2 out of the box and remove any packaging. Within the box, you'll find a welcome guide, Cricut pen, resource materials, power cable, USB cable, light grip cutting mat, and the Cricut Explore Air 2. Start by inserting the power cable into the round hole on the back of the machine. Setting up your Cricut Explore Air 2 on a USB device. Secure the square-shaped end of the USB cable into the remaining port on the back of the Explore Air 2. Then place the USB end into your laptop or desktop computer. Open your web browser and type cricut.com/setup in the search bar. Power on the machine and ensure it is open by pressing the open button on the left-hand side. Create a Cricut ID by filling out the required fields on the form. Download the Design Space plugin as directed on screen. Once logged into Design Space, follow the on-screen prompts to take a tour. Setting up your Cricut Explore Air 2 on a Bluetooth device. With the machine powered on, open up the Bluetooth menu in your device settings and ensure it is switched on. Select the Cricut machine from the device list. Enter the code 0000 to pair with your Explore Air 2. This code is the same for all Cricut machines. Once paired, the Cricut icon will turn blue to signify it is connected to your device via Bluetooth. Search for and install the Cricut Design Space app. Follow the on-screen instruction to create your Cricut ID, then log into Design Space. Follow the on-screen prompts to take a tour of Design Space and discover the endless possibilities. Before you begin using your machine, make sure it's positioned at least 10 inches away from the wall. This will allow the mat to move through the machine freely. It's time to start creating!